y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lubet. I'm really grateful for the love and the support. And if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn how to make this huge, beautiful money bouquet, stay tuned to the end of the video. Thank you. But before we get right into that, I just want to, encourage somebody today. I don't know what you're going through. I don't know the fear, the pain, the losses that you've been through. I know we're all going through one or two things. Like 2 Sundays ago, I was in church, and the pastor that I was preaching said something. He made some references, and one of the references really touched me. Like it sounded like I've never heard it before, and the reference was about the ego and the cross. You know how strong the ego is. It's the only bird that can attack the ego is the crow. The crow perches on the ego and starts pecking on it. What does the ego do? The ego stays focused, keeps soaring higher and higher. And then when it gets to a certain point, the crow starts to lose oxygen and falls off due to loss of oxygen, and then the ego keeps soaring. We can relate this to life and stuff. The hurt, the fear, the pain, the losses. Don't let them define you. Don't let all those distractions, all those voices, don't let them define you. Go to your war room, kneel, pray. There's this mystery behind praise and worship. Anytime I just, kneel and cry and pray to God, I just feel better from inside. There are some things that nobody can help you with, because no matter how you explain to them, they can't make you feel better. But trust me, when you go on your knees and pray to God, things get better. There's a mystery behind it. Why worry when you can pray? Because worrying doesn't even solve anything. So pick yourself up, get something going. Make sure you're always happy. There is nothing, absolutely nothing impossible with God. God loves you, and there's a better tomorrow. Don't give up. The tools you need for this tutorial: you need your baby breath, your dollar bill, your roses, you need your styrofoam, your glue gun and the glue. We need the tape. My baby's lost the other one I used, so I'll be managing this. We need your scissors, we need your board for the love design, we need rumble sticks and this nylon for the design we're about to create. So let's get to work. Firstly, you put your bamboo stick on your dollar bill, then you tape it down, you turn it the other way and secure it with another tape, and you fold the first side and the other side. You bend it together and pull it out from the inside like I'm doing, and then you secure the tip with another tip. So this is another design that I'm going to be doing it again the second time for clarity, so that you understand how I put the tape and how I come about the fold. This tape was definitely harder to work with, considering the fact that I had a lot of dollar bills to fold. I really don't know where my son put the other one, but yeah. And I think this is the last one I did, and I hope you got it, because I think I did it like 4 times. And after securing the old dollar bill, here they are, because we're making a very big bouquet today. Then I go ahead to my board and trace out a love design, and I cut it out. And here I'm securing the styrofoam with the bouquet wrapper, because the styrofoam is not going to stay directly on the board. A glue gun will not work with the styrofoam, so you have to protect the styrofoam so it stays on the board. That's what I'm trying to do here. Then I tape it down and put it on the board. and that's me applying the glue on the board. Like I said, the styrofoam is not going to work with the glue without you securing the styrofoam. And then I go ahead to secure the styrofoam with some bamboo sticks so it can be properly placed on the money bouquet. And then you take your roses and you put it gently on your styrofoam, and then you start putting your dollar bill round and round in circular motion till it gives you the shape that you want, and then you go ahead and hold your bouquet wrapper and secure your bouquet. And that's, I hope you learned a thing or two today. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.